Hi, welcome to our Flooring Minute, where we tackle commonly asked FAQ questions that our flooring store receives in less than a minute. So the other day we got asked, we had refinished a hardwood floor. It's been about 8 years, and they were frustrated because they thought the floor should look like it had when we finished it 8 years ago still. So if you do a research on the internet about hardwood flooring, on average, the national average is that on solid hardwood flooring, you have to refinish it about every 8 to 12 years. It's not much different than like painting your house inside or out. You have to paint it, every 7 to 10 years or so to keep it looking good and great. The nice thing about solid hardwood flooring is that you can make it look brand new again, which is nice, but again, you have to do that about on average, 8 to 12 years. You can do things that are maintenance coats every 1 to 2 years that can put that off longer, but that's something that you just need to be aware of. You will have to refinish your floor every 8 to 12 years. Thanks for watching.